Hey guys, welcome to 31 days of Halloween, 31 days of giveaways, 31 days of normal videos. So this is the first giveaway. This is the biggest giveaway of the 31 days. I wanted to start with a bang. So this is what's up for grabs today. We have the Morphe, I got this brush set, the Colourpop Baby Got Peach palette, the Colourpop Ma palette, the Morphe X Coca-Cola sponge set. We have the James Charles X Morphe brush set, the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray, a Glow Recipe skincare set, Morphe Out and About Blushing Nude Lip Trio. We have the Colourpop Just My Luck palette and the Colourpop Blue Moon palette. And then last but not least we have the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Volume 2 palette and the Morphe X James Charles palette. So yeah, to find out how to enter, check out the description box. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're going to enjoy 31 days of Halloween and 31 days of giveaways, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!